FBA discounts and referral fee discounts if you sell to businesses on Amazon. And here is the latest update. Now Amazon is trying to get more business customers because business customers obviously spend more on Amazon. So they want you to give discounts, and then in return, Amazon's going to give you discount. Fun stuff, right? But the biggest thing is these discounts are legit. So we're going to see here is an FBA fulfillment fee discount table, and Amazon's actually giving discounts. The fee discount applies only on purchases made by Amazon business customers, and you can give specific discounts yourself on business customers. I'll show you how to do that later in this video, but you can see the discount fee. So they're giving you, depending on the weight of the item, right, and then how many, the quantity ordered, you can get almost, let's see, up to around $1.17 discount. You know, something's better than nothing. I'm happy this is being implemented. Discounts are solid, so that's something. And then there's another discount that they're giving. So not only an FBA fulfillment discount that you automatically get if you are selling to business customers, but the next one is going to be the bulk order fee discount. So this actually decreases the referral fee that Amazon charges. So we got the FBA fee. And if for this one, they do have to order over $1,000 worth of goods, right? So if you do have a B2B item, right, and they're ordering over $1,000 worth of goods, you can get a referral fee discount. So you can see, depending on the category, if it's a 10%, usually it's 15%, but now it's going to be 10%. Or 8%, 7%, 6%. If they order $100,000 worth, then it's only 5%. And this is great for huge orders, especially if you're selling power tools. As you know, power tools are very expensive, automotive and power sports, right? So these are solid that you can potentially get a discount. So I'm glad Amazon's doing this. $1,000 is a little high because a lot of customers don't spend that. But if you're focusing on B2B, there is a lot of potential. And what you can do is go into your inventory, right? Go to inventory, manage all inventory, scroll down to your listing, go all the way to the right. You should be able to click this, and then you can see become business savings blue badge eligible. And then what you're going to do is give quantity discounts. So this is only for business buyers. We're giving a discount on the listing of $99. So instead of it being $99.99, it's $99.50. Amazon wants us to lower it to $94.99, and then we get a special blue badge eligible, right? And that's pretty good. And then we can also give quantity discounts. So for the business customers, if they're ordering 2 at a time, 5 at a time, we can give them a larger discount, and we can add more thresholds. So they're willing to add and buy more in bulk. And as you know, if you are a bulk seller, you know, those Costco buyers, Sam's Club, things like that, businesses also like to get a deal. So they're going to be ordering in bulk to get a better deal. So you can add more thresholds if there is somebody who wants to order 100, right? That one person who orders 100 of your product, that could happen. So you might as well implement that, click Save Changes, and now if there is a business customer on Amazon, instead of seeing the regular price, they're going to see that business price, and then they're also going to see these quantity discounts. So make sure that you offer a minimum of 3% business discount to unlock the FBA referral discounts. So we need to just triple check everything, and then once that's in place, then we'll be getting that discount on every order. And maybe it makes sense in the long run, especially if customers are ordering in bulk. But that's it for today's video. Amazon's obviously trying to get more business buyers. But if you did like this video, feel free to drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And if you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. Also, if you need help with increasing sales or anything Amazon, contact the HP Consulting Group. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of the HP Consulting Group, signing out.